Hello, followers of Canary Island immigrant. My people, tori dey for paper. E get one tori wey I see for the social media site just now, my people. Na say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, they say about 200 immigrants don arrive for EI HIerro. EI HIerro na one city wey be say e dey for Spain. You want be say you don't know where be EI HIerro. And Canary Island also na one city wey be say e still dey for Spain. E come happen say that Canary Island, the way the city be, many immigrants wey be say e dey for that city, dem dey suffer. I first bring the tori one certain time for early this year, when be say the mayor of that city come raise alarm. Say the immigrant wey be say e dey for that city, say make the Spanish government come help am take care of all those immigrants. Say because the suffer when dem dey suffer there, say not be small. Say many of them, their feet even swell up. So see that time when be say the mayor raise the alarm, they come dey carry all those immigrants, they comot one by one, they go better city for Spain. Now they say all these immigrants, they arrive the EI HIerro on Sunday. They say na 2 boats na they use to enter the area. So now they say immigrants when be say they don't carry comot for that Canary Island for only this year. Now about 22,000 immigrants na they don't carry comot. They say na ×2, even part ×2 compared to last year when be say they carry comot. As I see the tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me. Now I say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. According to the tori, my people, Canary Island, nearly 200 immigrants arrived in EI HIerro on Sunday. In total of 196 exiles arrived at the port of EI HIerro in the Canary Islands on 2 boats on Sunday. Since the beginning of the year, more than 22,000 people have reached the Spanish Island compared to 909,800 during the same period last year. I happy for this immigrant because all these immigrants, they don't too tey for that Canary Island. When be say many of them don't suffer for that area. You want be say you don't know Canary Island. Now one city for Spain when be say na water and stone mountain na around that city. So many immigrants when they dey that area, they not they take care of them. So now they don't carry them go better area when be say they'll for take care of them. As I see the tori, my people, e come make my baby dey scratch me more. Now I say me I scatter am, make for reach everybody. You want be say you dey watch the tori, anything when you see, not forget to leave am for the comment section. Like, share, make for reach everybody. I don't go.